Hey guys, I'm Mark, one of the core team at Son of Doge, and today I'm doing a how-to video on how to install and set up a Trust Wallet on your mobile device. Now I've got an Android, so I'm going to be using the Play Store to download it. You've got an iPhone, use the App Store. So let's open it up. Just type in Trust Wallet at the top, and this is the app. It's got 1 million reviews, 10 million downloads. Just confirm it's got the same amount of reviews, or if not more. Same on the App Store. Click install. Just takes a few seconds. Now we've downloaded it, open it up, and here we go. So it's private and secure. Private keys never leave your device. It's just got a few little things you can scroll across. All assets in one place, trade assets, and explore decentralized apps, which I'll come to later on in the video. So let's create a new wallet. Privacy, terms of service, read those, agree, continue, create a 6-digit PIN, which is not showing on screen. Now that's done, it's just telling you to back up your wallet, which is the next step. And on the next screen, you'll see 12 words. This is your seed phrase, your secret phrase. It allows you to recover your wallet. So just 3 checkpoints. If you lose your secret phrase, your seed phrase, my funds will be lost forever, which is true. They've gone. There's no way of getting them back. If I expose or share my secret phrase to anybody else, my funds can get stolen, and it's my full responsibility to keep my secret phrase secure. 100%. If you lose it, your funds have gone. It's not a bank account. It's not a centralized exchange. You can't give them your mother's maiden name or your address, or a unique word. It doesn't work like that. This is as decentralized as it gets. It's your wallet, your keys. You lose your seed phrase, they're gone forever. So make sure you keep it safe, and maybe worth jumping on YouTube and just having a look at different methods what people use for keeping your seed phrase secure. Because whatever you do, do not lose it. So after that, we'll click continue. Now the next screen it's showing, which again it doesn't show, it's the 12 words. So I've got to write these down and then re-input them in the correct order. Now I've done that, it's telling me I've successfully created my wallet. So just click done. Now it's asking, do I want push notifications? Now this is something I highly recommend, just because if people send you a transaction, funds, coins, it pops up on your mobile phone and it lets you know that you've received a transaction. So that's pretty nifty. As default, you've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the BSC. But if you click add tokens, you can literally add anything you've got. So I don't know, if you've got AVAX, you got Polkadot, enable them, and then that'll show them up here. Now for this video, we want to import Son of Doge. Now that won't appear on this list because it's only showing like your real top main coins. So like there's thousands and thousands of like smaller coins which aren't going to appear on here. You need the contract address and you need to go to a reliable source to find that. So what we're going to do, jump over to the Son of Doge website, sonofdoge.website. We're going to scroll down, keep scrolling past everything, and then down here you got what is the contract address. Here we are. So we copy that, and then we jump back into Trust Wallet. I've just got to put in my PIN because it logs me out to keep it secure. So now search tokens at the top, you've got the little plus, click on that, and then on network you want to make sure we choose the BSC, Binance Smart Chain, and then paste in the contract address. Now it pulls the information, it's got Son of Doge, want to click done, and there we have it. There is Son of Doge all ready to receive tokens to your wallet. And if you want to receive Son of Doge, so if you're purchasing it on using the dapp through Pancakeswap, first off what you need to do is go to receive, and you want to copy that address. I'm just going to show you how to actually swap your tokens within Trust Wallet. So you go to dapps, go down to Pancakeswap. Because they're used all the time, they're already preloaded within the app itself. Connect the wallet. You've only got the one wallet right now. So let's say you've got some BNB in your wallet ready, and then you want to get SOD. So it's not going to appear here because you've not used it yet. So you paste in the contract address. So I paste in a contract address, and there we have it. It's got SOD and it's pulled the data from CoinGecko. So we import it. We know it's correct. So it says that anyone can create a token, which is true, but because we've collected it from a valid source, the Son Of Doge website, we'll click I understand and import it. So literally, you just put in the amount of BNB you've got. That tells you how many SOD you're going to get. You've got to go to, for SOD, there's a tax of 8%. So you go to the settings, the little cog. You go down here, you put in the 8%. And if that doesn't work, you can try 9. There's different ways of doing it. So you can do 8%, and then you click connect wallet, and then when you've connected your wallet, there's no funds there, but then you enter the amount, and then you click exchange. If that doesn't work, then you can change it. You can change it to 9%. Now that will work, but another way of doing it, like a cheat if you will, is go to 0.1%, and then on the received amount for Son Of Doge, when you put in the BNB that you want, go to the SOD and click on it, and at the end delete everything to the decimal, and then after the decimal put a 1, and then that, generally speaking, puts through the transaction, and it gives you it charges you the least amount of slippage, and generally speaking, like probably 99 times out of 100 that'll work. So that's how you do it. And same with if you're using Uniswap or any other apps, depending on what blockchain you're on, you can Google and find which apps you need to use. But yeah, it's really straightforward. And also what you can do, you can swap from within the app itself if you prefer. But I personally prefer to use the dedicated dapps, so like Pancakeswap, Uniswap, DeFi Network for Polygon, for instance. That's my preferred method. Now, you can buy from within Trust Wallet as well, so it's got some pretty feature-packed little additions what you can use. So you click on buy. So you want to get SOD. So first off, you need to buy some Binance Smart Chain, and then that brings you options to how much you want to buy and what provider you want to use. So you click on it. Its best rate is MoonPay. You click on it, it gives you options of Transact, Binance Connect, Ramp, and Simplex. But MoonPay is the best deal. Now, bear in mind, these do normally charge between 3 and 5% typically, but for the service, for the ease of use, sometimes it's worth doing because it's just something you can do instantly. It doesn't involve a centralized exchange. You're just going from your bank account direct to your wallet address. So sometimes it's a preferred method for some people, and I've used this feature quite often, to be honest. If you want to know exactly what you do here, you can watch a previous video where I've showed you how to buy from within our website using Flues, which then uses like MoonPay, Ramp, etc., and it's basically the same process. But for this, like $150, that's what you want to buy. You're happy with that? You click next, and it takes you through to a MoonPay website within the Trust Wallet, so you don't actually leave. So it's telling you it's $220. You click continue, and then you put in your email address. It'll then send you a code to verify, and you'll need to do some KYC. But once you've done that once, you don't need to do it again. It's very straightforward to do, and that's pretty much it. The only thing I like to do is go to settings and pop it into dark mode. Just something that I prefer to do. And if you want to add a new wallet, you just click wallets. Well, you click on wallets at the top, then you click on the plus, and it's just basically the process what you've already seen. Create a new wallet. It's exactly the same process. It asks you to write down 12 words because it's exactly the same deal, where rather than having all your tokens appear in the same wallet, you might want to separate them so they're not visible to everybody. But yeah, very straightforward. And there are other little things you can look at within here, like all the social media links. Now, one thing I will mention before I finish is to receive funds, you don't need any any amount of tokens for any token or coin. So someone wants to send you SOD, they can just send them and they'll appear. If they want to send you DOT, they'll just appear. BNB, Ethereum, they're just going to appear. But if you want to send BNB to someone, or you want to send SOD to somebody, you want to send Ethereum, you've got to have the native token. So for SOD, it's Binance Smart Chain. For Uniswap, it's Ethereum. Or if you want to send Ethereum, you need a little bit of Ethereum. And it's the gas fee. So for every time you make a transaction, there's a small fee incurred to put that transaction through, which pays the miners to process the transaction. So always make sure that you have a small amount of your native token. So if you only use, say, Binance Smart Chain, then make sure you've got some Binance Smart Chain in your wallet. You don't need a lot. I mean, a few dollars, and that'll suffice for quite a lot of transactions. Now, Ethereum is more expensive. It varies from $2 up to $100, depending on how busy the network is. But yeah, just bear that in mind. You need the native token to send. And that being said, I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed the video. I say, if you've got any questions at all, then please send me a DM through Telegram. You go to the website. You can click Son of Doge website, scroll down or up wherever you are, and then you go to my profile here, Son of Doge, Mark, and click on that, and that'll open Telegram, and you can send me a DM through there. Or you can leave a comment on the comment section in YouTube. So thank you so much for watching. Appreciate your time, and I'll catch you on the next video.